you guys, I sorted through the piles. I still have to put them up, I guess, but I have my duster here. I'm gonna dust the top shelf because I never really go up there. I'm out of breath. I had to run downstairs to get this, but we're gonna dust and then put everything that's winter up there. I know I should have done this probably in the beginning of summer, but here we are. I just didn't think about it. So you guys probably can't see what I'm doing up here. Ooh, it is dusty. Oh my gosh, I guess that's what I get, right? Pretty dusty, could be worse, but we'll leave it at that. So now I'm gonna bring everything up. All right, so then all we have left is this one pile of yoga pants. So I'm gonna put these here. Workout pants and comfy pants. I'm out of breath. All right, so now we actually have a shelf right here for all of our shorts. So let's see, actually I can put this over here at the bottom. All right, so let's go through our shorts. Oh my gosh, there's another long sleeve. Oh, I don't have hangers, I'm telling you guys. Okay, let's see. This is madness. So I'm gonna take the shorts from under here and put them over there, but let's kind of sort things through. We have, oh no, our landscapers are here. So I talked about this on my other channel, my planning channel, because I write in my planner when the landscapers come, but they've been coming on random days and they're supposed to come every other week, but since they've switched days, they're coming every week. And I was telling my boyfriend, I'm like, I hope they're not charging us for every week because it's supposed to be every other, but here we are. All right, so these are more like workout yoga shorts. These are more like everyday dress. Oh my gosh, linen shorts are kind of every day. I think I'm not gonna fold them. I'll just have them like this way maybe. All of my linen shorts are typically from Old Navy, so I really like them. They're comfortable. These are yoga. I have this really cute sweat skirt, like a sweatpant material, which I'll put that more like casual yoga rather than dress. My favorite skirt of all time. Oh my gosh, why is this kind of wet? I'm gonna wash this because questionable, but that's from Old Navy. More linen shorts. Oh my gosh, there's so much here, you guys. These are super cute with a little ruffle edge. I really like these. Again, these are more like workout biker shorts. That'll go there. These actually, I guess we'll go here. This is my tennis skirt, so I guess that's more workout. Skirts and shorts. Now, skirts are gonna go in here, but they are going to be like mini skirts like this. It's a mini skirt. So cute. I don't even know if this fits me anymore. Oh, it probably doesn't. But my other like longer skirts are like down here at the bottom. These are more like dressy. So, all right, we have more shorts, I think. Ah, things are falling. Okay. My pink shorts, I love these. These are from Target. These pink ones. I've only worn them once. All right, let's actually start putting them on the shelf. See how they fit. Does that fit okay? Yeah, that's pretty good. It's kind of messy up here, but there we go. That's not bad. And then we have, again, some just lounge shorts here. These, oh my gosh, these are Anna's workout shorts. I feel like I can't get rid of them because she just moved, if you guys didn't see that vlog. And I'm sad, but it's okay. Some more biker shorts. All right, let's take these, put them here. Oh, these are pants. Oh my gosh. Of course, new with tag from Target. I gotta try these on, see if they fit. Oh, these pants, I actually have a matching top to this, but I'm probably not gonna wear it, so I think I should just get rid of it, but I'll still try it on. My winter sleep pants, winter pajamas. So pajamas can go in here because most of my pajamas are there. What are these? Oh my gosh, I have to try these on too. I don't think they fit anymore. All right. And then what else is under here? Oh, there's more. These white shorts, love these. So let's put them right here. I like to put them waist side out so I can kind of see what I'm picking up. Oh my gosh, with tags. These are from Ross. Oh, it's a little skirt. Okay, I need to try that on. Okay. And then this Abercrombie skirt, right? Yeah, Abercrombie skirt. I'll try that on. And then all I have left are these Sixers t-shirts that we got for free, which I really should just wash these, and I was going to use them as sleep shirts. So I'll put them in the sleep section. And then, oh my gosh, I forgot so I like to put all my jewelry in here as well. And I forgot I brought all of my Talisa jewelry in here. I love their stuff. These are just the boxes. So I think I can just go through and get rid of this. Oh wait, this is my necklace. I was looking for this little dainty necklace. But the bracelet I'm obsessed with. I think I can just get rid of these boxes because I have them in my jewelry thing now. So let's get rid of this box. Throw that out there. Oh my gosh, of course. Y'all, I forgot I purchased, well, my boyfriend got it for me actually. So there's a new-ish boutique in our town and we actually haven't really explored it. So one weekend we decided to explore it and I went in and they had really cute clothes. So I ended up getting 2 dresses and my boyfriend ended up buying them for me. So cute. They are for our trip. So I definitely want to hang them up, but we gotta find some hangers. So I gotta go through this stuff, try to get rid of some things, and then the other side of the closet out there, I'm going to try to get rid of stuff too, and I will obviously film it. But let's just go through. Yeah, I think I can take that off and start a little hanger collection. This can go in the sports bra. I don't really know why I hung this up, but those will go in my bra drawer. Hi guys, I'm sweating. We are out here in the main closet and you guys can see there, that is my pile of stuff over there that we're getting rid of, but I need hangers, and if we're gonna find hangers, it's gonna be out here. So I have to try and get rid of things so I have more hangers. So I'm gonna speed this part up, but wish me luck. Let's see how many hangers we can get from decluttering this area here. Let's go. All right, you guys, I think I did okay. So we're gonna count how many hangers we have, which I feel like is a decent amount, but I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. I feel like we still have so much stuff, but again, I refuse to buy hangers. So we have, let me just get everything together. All right, I knocked you guys with the hanger a little bit, and let's see if I can push you guys up a tad. But you guys saw I did okay. I didn't get that many hangers, but we're gonna count and see what we got rid of. I also didn't realize that I had a few hangers over here already, which is great, but I also have like 6 or 7 things I want to try on, and if I don't like them, I'm gonna add them to the hangers. So I'm gonna try the things on and be right back, and we'll see what we got rid of. All right, so I tried on the pieces that I was iffy about. I got 4 extra hangers, so in total we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hangers. I'm excited. That's good. It's progress. Because again, I'm not buying more hangers, and let me know if you guys are that like the same way. Like if you just declutter what you have room for the things that are coming in. So my pile of getting rid of is really big now. I'm really excited. So let's go and hang the things up. We are back in the little closet area of mine, and there we go, focused. Put this down a little bit. We can now hang things up that we need hung. So I also have a few hangers here. Oh, and those there were hangers out there that also are empty. So let me go get those hangers, but we have tons to work with, and we can hang things up and get this all cleared again. Before I go, I want to show you guys the things that I got at the boutique in town. It was kind of a fancy boutique. It's one of those ones that like wrap every single thing that you purchase and like in tissue. So I first got this beach cover up summer dress. Again, this is for Turks and Caicos when we go next week, and I love the print. It's this white and blue and baby blue print. It's so cute, super flowy. It's completely A-lined. It's kind of like a baby doll style, but I just thought it was adorable. It's so cute. And yeah, this was on sale for like, I don't know, 20 something dollars. So I was like, that is such a steal. But yeah, really, really adorable print. So I got that so we can hang this up. So let's get a hanger here. I wonder if you guys can get a better view. Again, it's nothing like spectacular. It's more like beach cover-up type of deal, but really nice nonetheless. I'm gonna put that here for now. And then the dress that I'm so excited about fit me like a glove. I loved this print. I don't have a lot of like summer dresses, so it looks like this with the little bell sleeve. Oh, isn't that not adorable? And it's a V-neck, it's a wrap dress, so it just kind of fits my body really nicely because I have a bigger chest. Honestly, the print is what got me. It's so pretty. It's pink and yellow and green. Do you guys see that? Gorgeous, right? So let's put this on a hanger. And, oh, adorable. So cute. This one was really expensive. It was like $100 something, but my boyfriend was like, just get it. It fits you great, and it'll be perfect for vacation. So I got it. So yeah, that is everything I'm gonna do today. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I'm so excited. I got rid of a lot of stuff, so we're just gonna show you guys. This stuff over here is stuff I have to organize and go through. Some of that's trash, random things, but this is our pile. I put that game there. It's like a what do you mean type of size game, just so you can see how big this pile is. Lots of stuff we're getting rid of. I'm so proud. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.